What's up, YouTube fans? Swag Kicks here, and I'm giving y'all another sneaker review. And today, I just got these in yesterday. And to be honest with y'all, I was not trying to cop these at all. They went through. I don't know why. It's like with the Off-White 5s, I didn't get through. I wasn't selected. And it was another pair of shoes I was trying to get, and I didn't get them. But with these, I put the raffle in. I ended up getting them. Weirdly enough, but go ahead and show y'all. So we got the Air Jordan Unite, or the red cement 3s, but with the Nike Shy on the back. So I was able to get these surprisingly, and I wanted to sell them at first, but people been telling me just to wait to get them in hand to see if I still wanted them or not. And one of my homies actually said to change the laces, put the white laces in. So I'm gonna see how this goes and go from there. But I actually went in stores and actually held the red cement 3s in hand. These same quality. The only difference is it has Nike Shy on it. The box, same thing. As y'all can see, same thing. Nothing different, but on the inside, I'll give y'all the B-roll because I got to be able to get in here. But on the inside, it has Nike Shy in there, right there, and the Nike Shy on the back. That's pretty much it, you guys, for the shoe. Like I said, not much of a difference between the red cement 3s. I guess the Unite, I don't know what they call these. I just been seeing these being called the red cement 3s, but it's a dope shoe. I figure out what to wear with it. I think I keep them from looking at them. I think I keep them. But that's pretty much the video, you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed them. Give y'all on feet at the end as always, but make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment down below. Follow my podcast on Apple Podcasts or SoundCloud, the Swaggy Podcast. I'll leave a link down below in the description for that. Make sure you follow my daughter's YouTube page, Meal Tube for Kids, if you have kids or whatever. Just show love, support. I'm trying to build that up for her. The link to her channel is down below, and I have like something on the sides or whatever for y'all can see it. And that's pretty much it, you guys. Make sure you be on the lookout for more videos. Like I said, hit that subscribe button, like button, and notification bell. I'm out. Let's get into this on feet. I got videos to edit, real bad videos to edit. I'm trying to play catch up, but all right. Swag Kicks, I'm out. Peace.
Freebeats.io. Freebeats.io. Freebeats.io.